Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken shawarma. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need about 2 pounds of thinly sliced chicken breast like this. Then you're going to need 2.5 tablespoons of the shawarma chicken spice, about half a tablespoon of 7 spice, a pinch of cinnamon, and about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of yogurt, half a tablespoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of olive oil. You're going to need the juice of 1 lemon and then some shrak bread, about 3 to 4 pieces. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and marinate the chicken. So we went ahead and put it in a bowl and we added the juice of 1 lemon and then half a cup of yogurt. And then we're going to be adding the spices. Okay, so we're going to be adding the 2.5 tablespoons of shawarma spice and then the half a tablespoon of 7 spice, a pinch of cinnamon, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half a tablespoon of salt. After adding the spices, you're going to go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil and you're going to mix it in very well. And then we're going to cover this and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. You can leave it overnight, the longer the better, but we're going to be putting it in the fridge for 4 hours for it to marinate. The chicken has been marinating for 4 hours and now we're going to go ahead and cook it. I preheated about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil and now I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. And you're just going to cook it for about 8 minutes or until it's completely cooked. So it's been about 8 minutes and the chicken is completely cooked now. And I'm going to go ahead and place it in a bowl and we're going to start making our shawarma sandwiches. The first thing you're going to be doing is cutting your bread into 4 pieces like this. You're going to go ahead and place your bread like this, and I'm going to be using the wider side to put the chicken on. So first I'm going to be adding some garlic sauce. I have a video on how to make this garlic sauce. I will leave the link down in the description box. So you're going to be adding about 1 big spoon of this and you're just going to spread it evenly. And then we're going to be adding the chicken and some sliced pickles. Once you place the garlic, chicken, and pickles, you're just going to go ahead and roll it. First, you're going to roll it from the back side, and then you're going to tuck in the side and just roll really tight. Then we're going to go ahead and place them on the griddle. I went ahead and sprayed some olive oil on my griddle and I preheated it. And now I'm going to go ahead and place these sandwiches with the open side down. And then we're going to leave them in the griddle for about 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, they should be a little bit crispy on the outside. And now we're going to go ahead and cut them. You can leave them whole if you like, but I like to cut them. I'm just going to go ahead and cut each sandwich into 4 to 5 pieces. Now, you don't have to do this step. I just like to cut them into little pieces. And I'm going to be serving this with French fries. So I went ahead and cut up all my shawarma sandwiches and placed them on a plate, and I'm going to be serving these with French fries. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.